Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I'm providing a very crucial, very important civil justice sign up for myself. It's a multitasking. And as my dear fellow mankind, I just want to keep this session short as possible. But yes, I have to provide that overview, right? Because you all need to know what are the costliest labor I provided when I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, right? So that is why these overview sessions are all going longer. Okay. Other than that, I'll work on how to keep this short. Okay, this session is all about the lentils, the legumes, and the greens. You all got it, right? And again, yes, it was me who stepped in and educated what is lentil, what is legumes, and what is grains. Because Europeans, they never heard about rice. That's the truth. Do not laugh at me. No, it's not funny. And all they knew for the grains is only corn, right? In a regular Thanksgiving, the American food meal, there would be a side of corn for the grains, and for carbohydrates, the mashed potatoes with the gravy, and the cranberry for the dessert, like a little bit of tartness, right? And they will have the meat. This is a typical food. They never knew what more of the grains are available. They do not have any other clue. Yes, the Europeans, they drink beer created out of barley grain, which is the healthiest grain, like rice, barley is also grain. But only how it is consumed, that makes a difference. How it is getting prepared. Once when it is fermented to be made as an alcohol, then the nutrition value of that healthiest grain of barley becomes disqualified, invalid, right? But people never knew. People, the Germans and the entire European nations, because of the cold weather, they thought the alcohol might help them out, but it's not. It's just a way of thinking. That's all. They all got fooled. We all got fooled. People got fooled. I do not want people of among the alcohol population to feel low. Oh no! I've tried champagne, and wine. I do not like it. So that's just me. And when I bake, I used to, when I baked, I bake. You're laughing. Plum cake, the fruit cake, right? The Christmas plum cake. I get that spiced drum from the Costco and then soak those dried fruits and nuts in that drum and then make that plum cake. And that's pretty much about it. And now it's been a very long time. I even cooked that. So that's just me. This is me. Okay. Yeah. So you all got it, right? Then all the non-alcoholic people are thinking, oh, this alcoholic or something different. Like how Americans think people outside of USA are from different planet, really. The non-alcoholic people, the people who don't drink alcohol, they think, oh, is it something that jumped from heaven like that? But then I educate, hey, people, it's all the alcohol, you name it. It's all created from the grains and the fruits and the vegetables, and it's a fermentation process that creates the alcohol, and that becomes unhealthy. And these Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II only provided that scam as well. So if you take wine, it's created from grapes. It's just one sample, right? So barley, beer, right? Am I pronouncing the beer correctly? I don't know. So yeah, this was pretty much it. So as if all the other hell is not enough, can you all witness how many types of poisons these filthy prostitutes, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, mandated worldwide? People got fooled, isn't it? People never knew. People were fooled into thinking then people are stressed out more if they're going to drink the alcohol, they can be stress-free. Without like how people go to the grocery store and drink the Pepsi for fashion show, and without getting awareness they got addicted to it. People cannot even live without the pop, the sugar content Coke, soda, right? Always, instead of drinking water, they'll be drinking only the soda without any awareness. It's the same thing. Addiction is the same, one is the same. I have a sweet tooth, right? The chocolates. But now it's been a long time, I've stopped those eating that because of whatever situation I'm in. I have to concentrate whatever I am in. I have to get the job. I have to get the civil justice. That is what is running in my brain. So nothing else is running inside my brain. There are different emotions I'm handling with the God-given strength. That's all. I'm just educating you all quickest possible way that I have to get this right for justice one side and you all get it educated one more time. It's repetition after all. Whatever I provided already in the Facebook for the silent education, I'm just talking and explaining it. And explaining why on the earth I was thrown with acid on my face with the robocall poverty mandate. Even today I have that debt, right? That is wrong, isn't it? Then nobody educated, it is wrong. At least I have to get the civil justice right in front of the nations, right in front of humankind. It's wrong. whatever they provided to me, right? And they stole my rightful job, the Supreme Court job. These people, Walmart, all these retailers, they knew. If at all I become the Supreme Judge, they knew what type of discipline they'll be provided with. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I have to provide this as a testimony along with this, because lentils, there are different types of lentils, right? It's all because of I educated what are different types of lentils, what are different types of legumes, grains, and in Tamil Nadu. Then now you go to the grocery stores, you're once upon a time, long ago, like that mode. Oh, we are not in that story mode right now. What I wanted to convey is, long time ago, in grocery store, there used to be only corn for the grains, for the Americans to eat. But now, if they go, they could see lot of grains, quinoa, right? The millets, the red millet, the black rice, the wild rice, whatnot. That many healthy foods are there. Grains are healthy after all. Barley is healthy. It's indeed healthy. It's just when it is consumed in the form of alcohol that transitions the nutrition content. These doctors, they say, oh, are you stressed? Drink a glass of wine a day. Keep a doctor away. You can be high always too. Oh, that sounds cool. This is how people will fall in trap, right? We don't have to go to the doctor. We can always be high. Oh, that sounds like coolest thing. Why can't we have a glass of wine every day? It even keeps your heart healthy. This is what doctors sign. They are the ones who signed alcohol is healthy, right? So who is at fault? What would we all have done if you all were doctors? And if Pope Francis mandated you all to sign alcohol, the poison is healthiest, what would you all have done? You work on those assignments, my very fellow mankind. The grains are rice, maize, corn, right? And what more? Rice, there are long types of rice. Small grains, long grain rice, right? And they all come in. And legumes means peanuts, they all come in that. And lentils mean long toughness. So all these are healthy food given by God, right? But Americans never knew. They are also called as beans. Instead of lentils, you can call them also beans, dry beans. So these Americans are innocent, isn't it? All they know for grain is what? Corn. So standard repeated menu only. Every Thanksgiving, oh yeah, we all go to the grandma's home and we'll have the turkey and we love that mashed potato with the gravy. Oh, there is no other words for that. And we also have the corn or cornbread. Every time the same menu. I'm not joking. Even in India, it's always the same menu only. But I'm just want to convey that for grains, all the Americans knew is only corn, nothing else. So the corn was used for plastic. Corn is used for corn syrup, high fructose syrup, and corn is also used for their regular day-to-day meal. This will be there in their typical plate, right? If this is not there, it will be burger or it will be ribs or it will be hot dogs. This is what it is. Or they will have salad. So how people got fooled, right? Americans never knows there is lentil types and legumes and grains type until I educated. The millets, how healthiest are the millets. It is the same family that comes under the quinoa. Millets. People never knew. We can all alternate the rice with millets one day, rice one day, lentils every day. These are all, it's a balanced, high protein and healthy minimum carb content foods. It's healthy for everybody, from the babies to the retired people. Easily digestible foods. But then, innocent Americans, my fellow mankind, they are all my blood drops only. I decoded, right? They never knew all these truths. Today, when they go to the grocery store, they can see all that I displayed. One by one. How many lentils are there? Is it one? One type? No, right? How many rice are there? How many grains are there? How many legumes are there? I explained everything. I educated everything in that Facebook. Patiently, extra patience. People need to have that extra patience when they are going to provide an excellent teaching, isn't it? No matter what. Yes, it is time consuming, but it was too much of labor for me that time. Right now I'm just talking and I'm just providing, even that itself is taking a lot of session time, right? I want to keep it short. So that said, what is the moral of this session? What I'm conveying? The alcohol are created from grains, some of the grains. Barley is one of them. And other than the grains, the fruits and vegetables are also used in creating the alcohol. So, who created that alcohol? Who is that black sheep? Who is the criminal? It is Pope Francis, the absolute prostitute. So, now tell me, okay, these lentils, legumes, grains are healthy, I told you, right? When it becomes unhealthy, when that people get the gluten allergy, when that people get the bloating allergy, bloating whatever, when the agriculture provides a genetic modified lentils, genetic modified legumes, genetic modified grains. And provided by whom? Monsanto. Monsanto want to save itself, so the Monsanto immediately merged with Bayer. Cunning. When they merge, then the organization structure can be different. So they don't have to answer before mode. They can answer in the merged mode for the federal government and the state government of USA. These people, they are purest form of prostitutes. They know how to get away free and they can live free, and they're living free, isn't it? These are the typical telltale symptoms of how the behavioral patterns of abusive people will be. You're seeing, witnessing how Monsanto is living free, happily, as if nothing happened, right? How Walmart is living happily as if nothing happened. This is the telltale sign of a behavioral pattern of true criminals, the abusive people, the foolish people. Innocent is there one side. What is the innocent? They never knew all these genetic modified lentils and all, they all created by Pope Francis. They never knew that. So that is that innocent part. It is the Pope Francis age provide the training to the Walmart to feed the poison to the population. Means it is Pope Francis that must be fried in ashes in my book of civil law. Walmart, though at fault mode, little bit of innocence is identified, so I can bail them out. I only can bail them out, and then Walmart can live free. That's all I can do for at least minimum. They just destroyed humanity in pieces, mate. They just tear down people in pieces worldwide. That is crime. If this discipline is not provided, it is now or never more, because there will be no one who can step in and talk. Nobody did. Everybody fear mode in COVID-19. I step up I stepped in and I'm talking and I'm saying, I can step in, I can lead USA. Give me the job. Sign off the job. It's okay. Yes, I am black skin. Yes, I am obese. Yes, I am having gray hairs. It's okay. When people are mocking me that way, I only want that job to be signed off that way. That is true love, isn't it? That is true love. That is clean love. I am asking whatever that rightful belongs to me. Whoever stole that rightful job from me, I must get it back. That job belongs to me. Simple as that. They stole it from me. And after stealing it from me, they never even bothered to provide healthy processing. That's a proof. What process did Brett Kavanaugh provided for the COVID-19 scheme? Nothing, right? They want it that way. The Walmart wanted that way. The Walmart wanted only Brett Kavanaugh to be the Supreme Judge so that Walmart can be free forever. It all became a scam. They all joined hands. President Trump became helpless. That is the reality. That is the reality. And they all became a team process, right? So President Trump was only providing apprentice show, right? Hire and fire. He knows how to hire, and it was created a famous show worldwide, right? It will be like nobody will know who will be hired, who will be fired, and who will be gone for that session. It'll be so much tension. Right? He's a show business. He's a businessman after all. That's all. So, yes, this lentil, legumes, grains has its own story, right? Now if you go to the stores, you're seeing long list of millets and long list of grains and long list of whatever. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, all are from Tamil Nadu, the one and only Tamil Nadu. Yeah, Tamil Nadu. Don't you all think I fry Queen Elizabeth II in ashes is the healthiest civil justice provided? They do not have any birthrights to provide this type of hut, right? They provided it anyway. All humans fall in trap. Amazon, Walmart, they all fall in trap. One side, and they just threw acid on me, and I must get civil justice my way. 500,000 trillion dollars is cheapest for me, for the damages done by Islam for this absolute monarch. They should have thought twice. If they were able to get to live free by hurting my peers, means that is different. I don't want to talk about that because that's a different route. Why they even bothered to hurt me? That is where everything started, right? That is how God displays why God is God. Why nobody could talk out when they were hurted by the same absolute monarchs in different ways. Why they were not able to talk out? Why governments were not able to provide the root cause when they knew something just not right in any of the operations? Why? I provided all the proof, and I must get the rightful justice, I must get the rightful civil justice job offer signed off, rightful salary, rightful national benefits, everything. And I want to live. I want to live free. I want to live a peaceful life, the remaining days of my life, whatever days my God has given me. Right? Just because I filed a lawsuit against Queen Elizabeth II, she created this COVID-19 scam. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks became their slaves, the prostitute slaves, for giving us a victim. I proved it. Okay, with that said, I will quickly read through this so that at least I will make sure that I keep this session short, 22, less than 5-10 minutes, okay? For I, where the Priya Pro se proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis's Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, where the Priya Pro se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. Scandal faces of Republica, Europe nations worldwide, Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government, USA FCC, USDA, FDA retails basic essentials types, genetic modified lentils, legumes, grains, and organic lentils, legumes, grains, agency nations created, robocall poverty mandate is proved, and enforced poverty disability to I, where the Priya Pro se on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge of USA job on October 2018. That rightful belong to I, where the Priya Pro se. Civil law must be provided now without any delay. I, where the Priya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government as in USA FCC, USDA, FDA retails, basic essentials, error, genetic modified lentils, legumes, grains, and organic lentils, legumes, grains, agency nations created robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica, USA robocall poverty mandate. I, where the Priya Pro se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, where the Priya Pro se abruptly in October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000+ since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021 to I, where the Priya Pro se enforced finance disabled to I, where the Priya Pro se abruptly is crime or at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republica government and USA Democrat government, USA retails basic essentials, USA FCC, USDA FDA retails basic essentials, errored genetic modified lentils, legumes, grains, and organic lentils, legumes, grains, agency nations created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and when ruling USA never educated, USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, where the Priya Pro se, so civil justices. I, where the Priya Pro se want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000+, sign off $5,000, and at fault found guilty for fatal negligence, USA Republican government, USA Democrat government, USA FCC retails, USA FCC, USA USDA FDA retails basic essentials, errored genetic modified lentils, legumes, grains, and organic lentils, legumes, grains, agency nations created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, so must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited to my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. So this session also took a little bit time, but less than the earlier session. It's 26 minutes or so. So thank you all for your time. Take care, and I sure will get the medical compensation for entire human kingdom in 1 minute, okay? And first I should get the rightful job and rightful salary and everything. So that's multitasking, okay? Thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. Have a good day. Bye now.